in Nigeria. There is fire on the mountain. We are dying in Nigeria. We are dying in Nigeria. April 7th, 2023. April, Friday, Easter. Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen enter into Benue State and slaughter more than 100 people and injure many people. My question is that since 2009, Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen have been slaughtering people in Nigeria. Why our United Nations have not yet come to Nigeria? The Secretary General of United Nations, Antonio Guterres, sir, since 2009 that Boko Haram have been slaughtering people in this country, Nigeria. I have not seen anything that you have done to Nigeria. You visited Nigeria last 2 years ago. I did not see any action that you want to take.
Another Benue community.
I don't know why United Nations are keeping quiet. Is it because our politicians are sponsoring this Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria and you people are not taking any action? United Nations don't use because of few politicians that are sponsoring this Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria, and you allow millions of Nigerians to die every day by day. It's not good. United Nations, even though if our politicians are telling you people that there is no problem, there is problem in Nigeria. There is fire on the mountain. We are dying in Nigeria. We are dying in Nigeria. United Nations, will you use because of few politicians in Nigeria that are sponsoring this Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria, and you will not take any action in Nigeria? Secretary General of United Nations, Antonio Guterres, why are you doing all these things? Do you value money more than human being? Can't you see that thousands of people have died in Nigeria? Antonio Guterres, can't you see what is happening in Nigeria? Antonio Guterres, can't you see that thousands of people have died in Nigeria since 2009? Antonio Guterres, why are you keeping silent? Antonio Guterres, why are you keeping silent in over what is going on in Nigeria? Secretary General of United Nations, if anybody tell you that nothing is happening in Nigeria, that person is a liar. Whether that person is from Nigeria or outside Nigeria, if anybody tell you that Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen are not doing anything in Nigeria, that person is a liar. The other time, Borno State, the other last 3 weeks, Kaduna State, every day by day, they are slaughtering people in Nigeria. And we are not seeing it on CNN. And we are not seeing it on BBC. United Nations, will you allow millions of Nigerians to die in Nigeria because of few politicians that are telling you everything is okay in Nigeria? Secretary General of United Nations, you are in that office, you are in that seat to do the right thing you're supposed to do. But if you use because of money, if you use because of, I don't know, if you use because of anything, you don't do what you're supposed to do, the right thing you're supposed to do, know that one day you will give account of your work on this earth. And all the Nigeria politicians that have sponsored this Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, know that one day you will give account of your work on this earth. I want all the Christians all over the world, please pray for Nigeria. Every day by day, Christians have been slaughtered. Many people have been slaughtered in Nigeria. Pray for Nigeria, that God will deliver us from this hand of wicked politicians in Nigeria that are sponsoring this evil.